Welcome to this edition of What's Up Wednesday. My name is Lee, and today I'm going to be talking with you about SEO, that's search engine optimization. And it's actually something that I have personally neglected for 4 years. So to put you in the picture, we have the podcast. That means we're creating content every single week. We have the YouTube channel. Again, we're creating 3 pieces of content a week for that. We also have the blogs, and we are appearing in multiple places. So we are a content generating machine. And yet, for 4 years, I have neglected search engine optimization. I have always assumed that because we create so much in volume, that our SEO will just simply look after itself, that Google will see that loads of people visit our website, that loads of people interact with our content, and therefore we will automatically go up to the top of the search engines. So anyway, I was wrong. Who would have thought? I was completely wrong. In 4 years, we do not rank where we should be ranking for the terms that we want to rank for. Now, we have an interview that is going live with Pete Everett, who talks all about the fundamentals of SEO and how we should be starting our SEO strategy. And within that, he was sharing how I should have been driving my SEO with very specific goals in mind. So if we think about what my goals are to increase the membership we have of our premium group. It's also to increase our listenership of the podcast and also to increase the subscribers of our YouTube channel. These are very specific goals. This means that I can actually start to plan my SEO for those goals, actually creating content that is specific to that goal, creating content that is specific to the ideal target audience, and adjusting the language that I have throughout the site. What I did was downloaded a tool whilst he was talking and actually had a look at how I was ranking for the search terms that I thought were the most appropriate for my target audience. And boy, was I shocked. We were way down. In fact, not even appearing on any of the lists. The fact is, I've never actually applied a SEO strategy to my content. I have just been doing what would term as a hit and hope for the best. If you're ever a pool or a snooker player, often people would be called a hit and hoper, where you're simply hoping that things will work out. If you play GTA and you're the same as me, you might be a pray and spray shooter, i.e. you are just gunning everywhere, hoping that it will all work out and that it will hit its target. So I would encourage you to go and download today's podcast, which will help demystify SEO and will help you recognize the value of SEO in 2019 or in the future as you are developing your content and your marketing strategy. Also, if you were in the premium call last night, you got to hang out with Gabrielle Trainer, and we actually talked about work-life balance and mental health. It was a fantastic time together. Thank you for everyone who showed up, and thank you, Gabrielle, for giving us your time. Folks, if you are not part of any of our communities, that's the free or the premium, then there are links down below in the show notes. If we don't see you in the communities, we will see you in the next episode.